What's up everybody? Just a really quick video I wanted to do on the perfect way to clean your MacBook screen. So what I've got here is a waffle weave towel from the Rag Company. I love waffle weave towels for any kind of window cleaning. They're my favorite. I've tried them all. What I'm going to do is just do like kind of a nice spritz. I don't want to oversaturate the towel, but I do want to get it kind of wet. And then from there, I just tried kind of a fluffy towel, like a really high GSM towel, and it kind of left some fuzz on there. It left streaking, and it made me realize, why not clean this? Don't take any shortcuts. Why not clean this the way you clean windows, which is be religious. You want to use clean surfaces as much as you can, so if you want to be crazy with it, you could have one microfiber that was for wet, and then the following passes would all be with your clean waffle weave dedicated screen towel. So what I think I would do is maybe buy 3 high quality waffle weave towels, like maybe from the Rag Company or Auto Fiber or whatever you want to do. But get yourself some nice waffle weave towels. Small dedicated towels that you're going to wash together and use together. And that screen was so streaky before, and now it is so clean. The outside I cleaned pretty easily with the other towel. That was no big deal. That's dried up real nice. But when it comes down to it, as far as this screen goes, by the way, have I talked about what I used inside of my spray bottle? Wipeout from American Detailer Garage. It is an amazing rinseless wash. I diluted that at 256:1, which is 1 ounce per 2 gallons of distilled water. So that's just my default spray. You can see it says Wipeout there. I'll put links to all this stuff, none of which I'm getting anything for, just to help you guys out. But this is a waffle weave towel from the Rag Company, and the towel, and just looking at this screen now, the towel was a game changer. Get yourself the right towel, and cleaning your MacBook or any laptop screen will be a breeze.